At ETOA, we work for a better tourism in Europe.
One of the ways we do this is with our workshops.
GEM, Global European Marketplace, is the highlight of our year.
Here at this event, we have over 850 attendees who have almost 7,800 meetings.
And it's one day in one room.
This member-exclusive workshop is an unparalleled networking and contracting platform for all tourism professionals organising and selling European products.
We come to GEM every year because it's the best possible way of meeting contacts that we already have, and also the greatest intensity of new possible options of people to work with.
It's the event where we genuinely meet up with both the DMOs, the destination marketing organizations, but also suppliers. These are the various suppliers from accommodation providers to attractions and high-quality meetings for sure.
The quality of the buyers is fabulous, and it's a perfect place for networking and meeting the sector here all together in one long day.
This year it's more international. I've seen a lot of people from Taipei, from Taiwan, from mainland China, from everywhere in the world.
It's been absolutely a brilliant success. The profile of the different companies that we got to meet, we got 32 really good meetings, and we're even following up with some of the agents that we met at World Travel Market next week.
We've done excellent business today, as we do every year. It's a fantastic event, and it is the best event, in my opinion, on the calendar.
ETOA's fast-expanding community offers a growing network of members reflective of a fast-changing industry
who wish to do business together.
From startups
To established players. This
is
GEM.